How's it going today, everyone? Today's painting is a swipe style painting. I haven't officially come up with a name for it yet. I'm not really sure what to call it. Leave your ideas down below. But what we ended up doing was taking some pink and blue, layering it with a backside of white, and then trying to sweat that up. Unfortunately, the blue doesn't show through too well. I think it's because I did a sandwich technique of like pink, blue, and then pink. I think if I would have just done one layer and then one layer, it might have shown up a little bit better. I think the double pink kind of masked it more than it should have. If you looked really close, you could kind of see the blue, but all in all, it masked it too much. That's the one thing I would change. Also, make sure your swiper's the same size as your painting. Ours was a little bit smaller, and what ends up happening is you get these lines down the painting of kind of the edges of it. Like if you were to take a shovel and shovel your driveway right now, you'd have two lines on either side. That's what happens with the painting if it's not the right or same size or larger than the painting itself. I'm sure there's different aspects when this would be useful, but for what I was doing, it wasn't really what I was going for, and I didn't think about it till after I'd done the swipe, and I'm like, ah, crap. I should have got a bigger putty knife or whatever it is. But all in all, I really like the painting. Just don't know what to call it. I really don't. Leave your ideas down below, like and subscribe, and we'll see you guys again soon. Peace. Thanks everyone for watching. Please like and subscribe, and we'll see you guys again next week.